Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Measure all ingredients before starting. 1 cup unsalted butter softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup packed brown sugar. In a bowl, sift 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoons salt. Crack 2 large eggs into a small bowl and add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F while you mix. Line a sheet with parchment or a silicone mat. Having everything ready prevents overmixing and keeps the texture consistent for every batch. Cream the 1 cup butter, 1 cup granulated sugar, and 1 cup brown sugar for 2 to 3 minutes until light and fluffy. Use a paddle or hand mixer. Beat in the 2 eggs one at a time, then stir in 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Add the dry mix in 2 increments, folding just until combined to avoid gluten development. If desired, stir in 1 cup chocolate chips. Portion dough with 1.5 tablespoon scoops, roll lightly, and place them 2 inches apart on the prepared sheet. Bake the portion cookies in a preheated 350 degrees F oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Check at 10 minutes for golden edges and set but slightly soft centers. Rotate the sheet once if your oven has hot spots. Allow cookies to rest on the baking sheet for 3 minutes so they finish baking gently. Then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely for crisp edges and chewy centers. Store fully cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days or freeze.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.